Hello my friends and happy Memorial Day. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm very excited about this video. I am doing a collaboration with my friend Chef Tovia over at Cooking with Tovia. For this collaboration, we decided to do Memorial Day recipes using strawberries. Chef Tovia is going to make homemade strawberry ice cream and I'm going to make Southern Strawberry Cobbler. And my friends, this recipe is thebomb.com. It is so simple and easy to make and it's great for any barbecue cookouts or fish fries. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to On. So grab your baking pan and your strawberry sugar, because we're about to bake some strawberry cobbler magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 3 cups of fresh strawberries that I chopped. And we're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar and 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're going to stir all this together and this will create a strawberry juice. Alright, and now we're going to set our strawberries aside while we work on our crust. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1.5 cups of self-rising flour, and we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, and we're going to whisk the dry ingredients together so that way we don't get any lumps. And now we're going to slowly add in 1.5 cups of evaporated milk, a staple in Ellen's Southern Kitchen. Alright my friends, our last ingredients. We're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract, and 1 teaspoon of butter extract. And whisk all together until everything is nice and well combined. Alright my friends, now we're ready to assemble our cobbler. I melted 1 stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter in the oven. So now we're going to pour the crust right on top of the melted butter. Alright my friends, I got the batter right on top of the melted butter. So now we're going to pour the strawberries along with the juice right on top. Alright my friends, I got those luscious strawberries right on top. So now our strawberry cobbler is ready to work its magic. And this is the important step. Make sure you don't stir the crust of strawberries, otherwise it will go flat and it won't rise to the top. Alright, let's put this bad girl in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven and we're going to let it bake for 45 minutes until the crust is nice and golden brown. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern Strawberry Cobbler. Look how nice and gorgeous that looks. Ain't nothing like the smell of fresh baked cobbler. Alright, so now we're going to let this strawberry cobbler cool for a few minutes and then I'm going to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. And now for the moment of truth. And you can't have strawberry cobbler without a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Alright, here we go. Lord have mercy. The crust is nice and buttery and the strawberries tender. That is some amazing strawberry cobbler, my friends. Everybody will love this recipe. Strawberry-licious. Wow, Chef Tovia, I had a wonderful time doing this collaboration with you. I'll post a link to his channel and to his strawberry ice cream recipe down below in the description box. And he has an amazing channel. He makes some delicious recipes. Y'all would definitely enjoy him. My friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Memorial Day.